Hello students, this is Nishu Arora and I am going to present the first chapter of class 8th science, that is crop production and management. In this chapter we will learn about cultivation of crops, steps followed by the farmers in crop production and management, and the types of crops. So let us begin by knowing about agriculture. Food is the fuel that every human being requires to carry out the activities. This food comes from plants and animals. Agriculture, also known as farming, is a science that deals with the production of food by means of growing and harvesting plants as well as animals. Animals farming like poultry farming, that also comes under agriculture. Humans invented agriculture around 10,000 BC. With the better implements and new techniques, the yield now has increased several fold. Earlier, the farming was done at the river banks, and now the farming is done at any soil because we have better implements now. So let us start with the crops. Before we talk about types of crops, let's know what are crops. Crops are actually the plants which are grown in large number to get useful products and to meet the nutritional needs of large population. Growing plants in pots at home is not a crop. Crops are grown on large space. For example, in farms. Okay, the type of crops are oats, wheat, rice, tea, fruits, vegetables. All these are the different types of crops. Now we have two types of crops based on their water requirement. Let's study the difference between the two. Now Rabi crops, these are the crops which are sown in winter season. Their water requirement is very less. So during winter you will see very little rain. So they are sown in that period. So they are sown from October to November and harvested in March or April. Okay, so examples of these Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea. Now Kharif crops. These are the crops which require lots of water. So they are sown in the beginning of the monsoon season, or we can say in summer season. So they are generally sown in June or July and harvested in September to October. Now examples of Kharif crops are paddy, which is also called as rice, maize, groundnut. Okay, so to raise the crops successfully and to have a bumper produce, a farmer follows practices step by step. Now these are the 7 main basic practices you can see. The first one is preparation of soil. That means turning of soil for better aeration and to help roots to spread in the soil. This is very important step. Before sowing, this has to be done. And next we have sowing. Sowing means putting seeds in the soil. For this, healthy seeds are selected and proper depth is maintained. Now after adding the seeds, now the farmers have to add manures and fertilizers. Manures fertilizers are actually nutrients. Manures are organic and fertilizers are inorganic. Means fertilizers are chemicals and manures are produced from the decomposition of plants and animal waste. And the next step that the farmer follows is irrigation. Irrigation means giving proper water at proper intervals. Nowadays, drip irrigation and sprinkler method is followed to reduce the wastage of water. And after that, weeding is done. Weeding means to remove the weeds, unwanted plants from the farms. This is done nowadays with the help of chemicals. And the next step is harvesting and threshing. Harvesting means to cut the crop, mature crop, and threshing is to remove the seeds from the crops. And when the seeds are removed, now the last step and important step is to store the crops. This is nowadays done in silos, big steel containers. For the detail, we will talk about this in the next video. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.